Okay, guys, so thank you for purchasing Vid Reoptimizer. If you have got the full version of Nicheblasta, you already have Vid Reoptimizer. What you will find is we've added some extra stuff, we made it even better than what it was before, and it was very good before. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create some call to action snippets. You can see here we've got this global CTA snippets. We want to click on that. And what we can do is we can simply click on here to add. Okay, so we can add a new one. Now, I've already written some text, and it's easier just to use a TXT file to write some text so that you can fill in some information, and then the AI that you've chosen to work with will create the CTA for you in a more compelling way if you're not um, already a very good copywriter. Now, I'm not a natural copywriter, so for me, this is um, always going to be the go-to choice for me to get AI to do this kind of stuff for me. Okay, so we can put some CTA for text up here, or you can leave that blank and just let the AI do the work. But you do need to put in a link. Okay, so I'm going to put HTTPS. I'll put my website and I'll put the URL for Nicheblasta. Okay, oh, should put a hyphen there, not a dot. Okay, Nicheblasta hyphen AI. And product name or service name, whatever you're promoting, you put in here. I'll put Nicheblasta and I'll just put in a call to action here. Something like this, okay? So now that we've got all that added, okay, I've just basically put some basic information about Nicheblasta. Nicheblasta is an AI-powered video maker tool and YouTube video optimizer. With Nicheblasta, you can generate full channel content for faceless YouTube channels in a few clicks and queue up video posting to YouTube for weeks in advance. Okay, I've got a couple of typos in there, but thankfully, AI is good at spotting that and fixing it. Okay, the AI will write your video scripts. There's 4 choices of human sounding voices. There's actually more than 4. There's 4 services. Putting here services. And you can choose from millions of free stock footage video clips. Then the software will generate the final video output, combining all the elements and upload to YouTube, and even optimizing with time-stamped key moments, hashtags, tags, compelling titles, call to actions, and you can even add similar videos, links to similar videos in the YouTube description, and also add the first comment under each video with a call to action. Okay, so I'll just fix that. I'll put that back in here now that I've reread it back to myself and to you, unfortunately. Okay, so what we need to do is generate the CTA. Now, when you're starting a campaign, you can choose which AI you want to use, okay? You can choose which AI you want to work with. Okay, I had to click that button again. You can see it's processing. As far as the AI is concerned, what I suggest you do is you use the Open Router for this kind of job. Okay, why? Because with the Open AI, you're going to find it uses the same words all over again. Harness, leverage, revolutionize. People can spot it's been written by AI, and it just feels not real. Okay. If you use the Open Router option, it's got multiple different AIs. So what I've used here is Open Router with Claude Opus, okay, which is the best one. Now, it is more expensive to use Claude Opus. You could use Haiku, much less cost. But for this kind of job, I want to do it right, and so I chose the best model. And because it's not very much text, it's not going to make that much of a dent in the balance that I've got over there. So what do we get from here? Skyrocket your YouTube channel growth with Nicheblasta, the ultimate AI powered video creation an optimization tool, generate captivating content, automate uploads, and dominate your niche with just a few clicks. Join the revolution. Oh, it's got revolution. Okay, I'll keep it for now. Okay, just for the purpose of demo, and I'll add it in here. Okay, so now I'm going to checkbox that CTA. Now, the next thing we want to do is we're going to come over into video info. I'm going to find videos that I want to optimize. Okay, very quick and very easy. All I have to do is I go and click on the import. Okay, it's going to pull in the videos from my channel. If you got multiple channels, it will give you the choice of channels you want to work with. Okay, so I'll click on here, forward more. Now I've got 100. You can see over here the count's gone up. I've got over 200 public videos on my channel. I've actually got over 2,000 videos in my channel. I spent a day a while back and got rid of a lot of public ones and made them unlisted because they were getting old, gone back 14 years or so. Anyway, now we've got like 239 videos. What I want to do, I'm going to click this publish date. I have to click it 2 times to get to the recent ones. Okay. And now what I can do is simply look for videos about Nicheblasta because I want to fit that CTA with a Nicheblasta video. I'll just copy that because sometimes it changes it to Nicheblasta and I don't want it to do that. So if it does do it, I can just copy and paste over the top. Now, if I put in here, remove if does not contain the word Nicheblasta, that means all of the other videos that are not about Nicheblasta are going to disappear. You can see I've got 3 videos here about Nicheblasta. Okay, there's more, but some of them have been changed to Nicheblasta. So I just have to work with what I have right here, right now. Okay, so how to do affiliate marketing with Nicheblasta. Adding YouTube accounts, Nicheblasta settings tutorial. Okay, let's choose this one because it's more of a educational video. So I can just simply click on add selected videos. You can do multiple videos if you want to, but for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to choose one, okay? So we can get through the tutorial with you understanding the main points. Okay, here we can click apply CTA snippet. You have to do it at this point before we start updating the videos. So I'm going to come down, choose that CTA and click on apply. Okay, so now I've got the video chosen, my CTA chosen. Now what I want to do is I want to click on generate. Okay, and what we're going to do is generate with the transcript. That means the software will download the transcript from YouTube. It will feed it to the AI. The AI will read and understand the transcript and it will generate a whole new title, description, tags, hashtags, and 3 paragraphs of text for the description as well. The benefit to that is that it's always going to meet the search intent. Okay, one of the biggest mistakes that people do with YouTube is they try to optimize and they hope to get rankings for a whole bunch of keywords. You can see the way they use the tags and stuff, even though tags are not so important anymore. But you can see what they're trying to do, and it makes it not meet the search intent. That means people can bounce off the videos faster. When you give the transcript to AI, then it's going to meet the search intent. Okay, so I'll click on OK here, and you can see when I double click on that, I'm going to have to change. They've changed it to Nicheblasta. Okay, I'm going to have to put in some element to edit and replace and find and replace for when that happens. Okay, let's got that a couple of times in here. Okay, let's see if we can find another one. I've got one more. Probably should have chosen a different video so we don't have to go through that. But here we are. Okay. So we've got a title. I'm going to say no to this one, okay? Because 11 easy tools for quick videos, okay? That's not Nicheblasta. I'm going to click on generate again. Now, again, it depends on the AI that you choose. Okay, I ran it again. What I did is I changed it over to Gemini, okay? If you want to change your AI, what you need to do is click on edit the project, and you can change your AI, click on save, and then you can run it again, okay? That's all I did. I just generated it again. And again, I'm going to have to just pause the video and fix where it's got Nicheblasta instead of Nicheblasta. Okay. Okay, so now I've fixed that. And you can see we've got a call to action, etc. put in here. And we can also put in some text for first comment, but I'll show you the first comment tool a little bit later in a separate video. Okay, so all we have to do is click on save. And so now that we've created a global CTA snippet, we've applied that snippet to the video, we've generated the video, and now all we need to do is start updating the video inside YouTube. That's all done from the software. Click on that, and that's done already. It takes a couple of seconds. Now we can right click, we can open in browser, and you can see that's all been done. Okay, and then you can see the hashtags are there, and you can see our call to action now. Normally what I do is I copy and paste this into the top part, okay? For now, I'm going to leave it because I'll come back to it in a few minutes, okay? So the next thing I want to do is to start updating the key moments, okay? So I'll do that in a separate video.